Hello friends, in this video I will show how to upload full-size picture in YouTube community for PC. So log in your YouTube channel. Log in your YouTube channel studio. Then visit your YouTube channel homepage. Then here click on community. Click on image. Now to upload full-size image. Open File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Now open your image. Now here click on this see more three dots. Click on resize. Now here click on define custom. Uncheck this box. Now give your desired size like 1080. If you need more resolution, so you can make high resolution. Then click on save resized copy. Give a name like 1080 by 1080. Click on save. Then try to upload. So without any cut, you can upload your picture. Click on post. So easy method. Just guys, you have to resize your image which you want to upload full image. Like in case you want to upload this picture as a full, so click on this three dot resize, define and uncheck this box. Make sure you uncheck this box and give your desired size. Save resized copy and give any name. Save it and upload it. So thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.